Forget venom. Forget speed. In the heart of the deep woods, survival isn't about chemistry. It's about pure, raw physics. Meet the forest's heavy-duty armored vehicle, the Stag Beetle. Today, we go beyond the surface. We are going to pierce through its armor and reveal the hidden hydraulic engine within. This is X-ray zoom. At first glance, it looks like a simple shell, but under the lens, we see a masterpiece of bioengineering. This exoskeleton is a multi-layered armor built from chitin, fibers arranged in a complex matrix. It is lighter than aluminum, but stronger than some steel alloys, designed to withstand immense pressure without buckling. Now, let's activate the X-ray. Look inside. What you see isn't just muscle. It's a biological hydraulic system. These massive fibers are densely packed within the head capsule, creating a specialized chamber. This internal engine generates a force that defies the beetle's small size. Observe the mechanics of the mandibles. It functions as a sophisticated lever system. By utilizing specific pivot points, the stag beetle amplifies its muscle contraction into a devastating, crushing force. It doesn't just bite. It functions like an industrial metal shear. When this living machine locks onto a target, the pressure exceeds the structural limits of most organic materials. It can crush wood, pierce through competitor shells, and dominate the battlefield. It is a battle of structural integrity, where only the strongest geometry wins. Why did evolution choose this path? Because in the world of tactical predators, sometimes the most effective weapon isn't a hidden toxin. It's the unstoppable power of mechanical force. The stag beetle is not just an insect. It is a miracle of natural engineering. Nature doesn't just grow, it builds. Which biological machine should we scan next? Leave a comment below, hit that subscribe button, and join us as we reveal the unseen machinery of life. This was X-Ray Zoom.